Mwelding Closed type orbital welding machine. Equipped with MWA200 integrated intelligent power supply. Series welding range 4 to 219 mm. Simple operation, stable performance. Flexible customized fixtures for various pipe specifications. Install the tungsten electrode, clamp the pipe, close the cover. And start automatic welding with one click. The power supply integrates a built-in expert welding parameter database. One-click matching of welding parameters according to pipe diameter and wall thickness. TIG autogenous welding with double-sided forming. Supports NDT, tensile, pressure, and other rigorous tests. The welding torch is equipped with a water cooling system. Multi-channel argon gas shielding. Ensures long-hour continuous operation without overheating. Beautiful, uniform, and stable weld formation.